Welcome to our DREAM3D-NX tutorial series. In this video, we will cover the different ways to color a dataset. We will use various render properties, such as the Lookup table, to color our geometry. The first thing we will do is run our pre-made pipeline that has data easily represented by different colors. Next, we'll change the data view to surface. You can use a solid color to color the data if you are purely interested in the geometry itself. Next, we'll enable the Interpret Values as Categories option. This will allow us to make custom colors and use custom color palettes. We'll also enable the color legend to reference back to when changing the color palette. Choosing the Edit button will bring up the preset color palettes. We'll choose a few different ones as examples. Click the Invert Color Map option if you would like to invert the color scheme of the chosen palette. Next, we'll make a custom color palette. Click the Edit button, then choose Custom from the drop-down menu. Click New to create your own palette or import your own color palette. Select the NaN color, then add colors to the palette by using the plus button. You can delete colors by using the X and delete all the colors chosen by clicking this Clear All button. This dataset requires 6 colors, but for demonstration, we will input 5. Now we'll add in the values and annotations for each color. The annotation will match the color legend name, and the value is the explicit value set for the data. Now we'll name our preset and save the palette. You can also favorite a palette by clicking the star icon. Since there are 6 colors in this dataset, we will fill in the missing color with the NaN color. There is an option to generate new colors as well. When applying this palette, DREAM3D-NX will show warnings if there are any. The only warning we have is that we have 5 colors for a 6-color dataset. Finally, we'll disable the Interpret Values as Categories option and change our data array to Confidence Index and show some different features. First, clicking the Set Custom Data Range option will allow you to set the minimum and maximum values. For Confidence Index, we'll filter out any value under 0. Now we'll clamp the minimum and maximum as a demonstration. To reset the values to default, hit the Reset Map and Range button. Thank you for watching this tutorial in DREAM3D-NX. If you would like to learn more or try DREAM3D-NX, please visit our website at dream3d.io. Please leave a like for future DREAM3D-NX tutorials and subscribe for notifications on new videos.